Restoring waterways and nature is not separate from national security, it underpins it. My Amendment G, as on today's order paper, recognise that functioning and healthy ecosystems reduce flood risk, protect our homes, hospitals and transportation systems from overheating, sustain soils to be able to grow food and clean the air we breathe. The UK's key ecosystems are every bit as vital as our roads, energy grid and water networks, yet we continue to treat them as an afterthought. As the Treasury Commission Das Gupta review made clear, we undervalue the natural assets our economy and security depend on. By legislating for a strategic nature network and recognising it as national infrastructure, we can restore, connect and maintain a system of key functional ecosystems that strengthen our national security, protect communities and build resilience across the UK.